Good afternoon, this is Dan Gorhuber with your VACO closing commentary for Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. So if we thought yesterday was a mixed bag with markets, today was definitely that again here, with a little bit more range on a few of these different contracts. I'll go over some of the settlement prices and closing prices on many of the contracts we cover. Corn definitely stood out today and was able to hold firm to the close. Your March contract settled up 5 cents at 3.93 3/4. Heading over to beans, they were not able to hold as firm, but were able to close and settle a little bit higher off of the lows here. Again, settled down 4 1/4 at 9.09 1/2 off that March. Heading over to wheat here for Minneapolis, we settled at 5.55 3/4. That's up about 1/4 cent off that Minneapolis wheat contract. Chicago wheat settled at 5.80 1/2. That's up 2 3/4 on the session. So again, able to kind of settle in here for Chicago as well. KC wheat settled at 4.92 1/4. That's down about 1/4 to flat here on that KC wheat contract. So that Minneapolis and KC really able to just kind of settle in and really not trade too aggressively one side or the other today. In the meat complex, that's where we saw some also bigger movements. Feeder cattle off of the April board. 143.47 1/2 is what we settled at. That's down 2.55 on the day. Live cattle for April settled at 124.17 1/2. That's down 2.60 on the session. However, we go over to the hogs contracts for July. We actually settled up 52.5 cents at 88.50 for the day. So a little bit of mixed bag there as well for the meat contracts. A little more weakness and some breakdown action off of your feeder and live cattle. And then your hog contracts were able to kind of firm up here today as well. On the outsides today, NASDAQ and the Dow, both sides of even, were definitely traded today. Your NASDAQ is up about 34 points here as of this recording. Your Dow Jones about flat. Crude oil extended lower here, down about $1.17, settled around 55.57 on the day for that March contract. Coming into tomorrow, we'll have export sales released in the morning for the grain market. Definitely want to watch those to make sure we are paying attention to see if anything changes on those numbers and heading into the last trading day of this shortened week. I will close with a disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures and options trading involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers and/or investors. This is a solicitation. Have a great night, everyone.